To begin with, we don't have any regulations yet, as I have told you. And then secondly, I've heard these comments to the extent that these, what do you call it, unity walks don't have anything to do with declaration of intent or anything, or they don't present themselves by way of somebody campaigning. I do not think that there's anything.
You don't think
wrong.
If the former president
because
keeps attending a number of these unity walks,
yes,
then he has a head start.
No,
if any other individual,
no matter what you do, no matter what you do, you cannot right away. No matter what you do, you cannot right away the fact that President Mahama was the former president and the immediate past leader, and because of that, he had some incumbency. What do you call it? Incumbency advantages, and then incumbency garbage to carry. So it's the same thing as maybe a president in power in a general election. These same accusations will come up, that why is it that this man has been given this advantage and so on and so forth. Look, if you want to gather NDC people at a place, you cannot write it off that the former flag bearer, the former flag bearer's presence will help bring people around for us to do whatever we want to do. So as I sit here, if I declare tomorrow that I want to be a flag bearer, it doesn't right away the fact that any function to which you invite me will attract people. You understand? So the fact that past leaders will be present will rather help to bring out NDC people for us to spread the message. And so it happened during the time of Professor Mills, when he was not, this thing has not been renewed. It happened during Nana Addo's time when he had not been elected, but whenever NPP wanted to engage in anything, Nana Addo was at the forefront and so on.
Well,
so
ultimately he contested, won the flag bearership and won the election.
But did they find anything wrong with that?
Well,
if not, so why?
Well, let's scroll up our Facebook page because we'll put you there. We asked